I'm Nermeen, content creator, recipe developer, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Today, I'm gonna show you my recipe. It's called Manaeesh. It's basically a savory bread topped with za'atar. We start by proofing our yeast. To the warm water, we add the instant yeast, we add the sugar, we want to make sure that all the flour is coated evenly with the oil. Now my flour oil mixture looks all nice, crumbly and soft. As you can see, now my sugar, yeast and warm water mixture is becoming frothy, foamy and ready to use. Put the dough in an oil-coated glass container. We cover it. We leave it in a warm place until it doubles in size. We let the dough rise and look at that. Now our dough is all puffy and nice and ready to roll out. Here we have. We'll start making the topping. I'm gonna mix the olive oil with the za'atar blend. I will let it rest for 20-30 minutes, bake it in the oven, and I will be back with the finished product. Here we have our za'atar bread. It lasted only 7 minutes at 200 degrees. Try it at home, leave a comment below. I'm looking forward for your feedback, and I'll be back with another interesting recipe.